How to fix REDnote app keeps crashing. Now the reason why your application keeps crashing on your mobile devices is maybe because you have a lot of open apps on your background. Now this can go ahead and result on some applications crashing on your mobile devices. Now to fix this, it is extremely simple. You want to open up your phone specific multi-window tool right here, and you want to make sure that you exit out any recently opened apps, because if this specific application is using all of the resources, it can go ahead and once again cause other application, and that includes REDnote, to keeps crashing on your mobile device. So you want to clear every background app on your mobile device right here. Now another fix is by restarting your mobile device completely. To do this, you want to hold click on your power button. From there, you can simply go ahead and click on the restart button. And now the last way in order to fix this is by making sure that you are using the latest version of the application available on the App Store or the Google Play Store. And so if this video has been helpful, leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.